What's up? So you're welcome to my very untidy room. This is how Beverly, how are you? This is how our room used to be when we wake up. Like every other day, not every day though. And then we would have to start cleaning, arranging. So I'm going to be arranging this room with you. But before that, I'm gonna be showing you all around. Don't tell me that that's not how your room used to be sometimes. Oh, all the time, sir. Because when you wake up, everywhere will be so untidy. The the duvet would have fly the other way, pillow the other way. Beverly, she's just looking at me like, Mommy, what are you saying? So let me just show you around first, and then we would be cleaning. Cleaning this room and making sure that everything goes back to normal the way it should be, or the way it was before we slept last night. Okay, so let's do that. This is my very untidy room, and let's do that together. Okay. Okay, so let me start from the dresser. When this used to happen a lot, like keeping this place open, this used to be my handwork. My husband actually used to like, you're always keeping this particular drawer open because I we keep our cream and everything, oil, hair cream, and all of that in here. And you would see the waists very full and all of the nylon, and on top of this dresser you see something like this is my handwork and the laptop here. Sometimes I work inside here, okay, but other times I work in the parlor, on the dining, anywhere. And this is me. This is my dresser mirror, and look at all of that wire. Okay, that fan shouldn't be there. And look at this ottoman where we keep our dirty clothes, all filled up with clothes. Look at this bed. All of the pillow is just scattered everywhere. And look at my beautiful, beautiful baby. She is just waking up and she says, "Hello, guys." And look at my baby's support pillow. It shouldn't be here. And look at my baby's, and bed where we actually used to, keep her in the parlor. This chair shouldn't be here. I mean, yeah, I use this in bathing my Beverly. This clothes should not be here. And this one should be closed. This particular soap dish should not be here. And this cloth, this is my husband's handwork. He does this a lot. He will either keep his clothes on this chair or he will hang it here. So those are it. And okay, for now I'm going to be cleaning everywhere, and all of this water bottles and all of that, they shouldn't be there. So let me clean. Are you gonna clean with me, my beautiful baby? Are you gonna clean with me? Oh, my baby is crying. There's so much heat. I'm sorry, baby. There's so much heat, yeah? We can't control it. Yeah? It is beyond our power to control this heat. Okay, so it's gonna be over, yeah? And you're going to begin to feel very good. Okay? Look at heat rashes on my baby's face. The heat in Abuja is something else. And my own hands, look at heat rashes too. I don't know if you can see that. Do you see? No. My own hands. So let's do this. Oh, sorry.
Stone for fire. Matcha.
Yes.
Put some oil. Red oil.
Yeah. Sorry.
I will find the chips.
You what?
The chips.
You eat chips.
What you want?
Now what type I want eat, but I changed my mind.
True.
I want eat soup. I want to eat SSR soup. I'm fuming.
Yeah.
I was fuming.
I didn't know.
My husband didn't know I was fuming. Look at your dada. Your dada just came back and helped.
What's up? What's up, my pretty? What's up, my pretty? Let me shower. Let me shower. Okay?
So yeah. So we just finished taking our baths. Look at how I'm sweating. Man, this heat is something else. Oh my goodness. Baby, thank you.
You're welcome, my love.
My husband is just a hero. He would help in everything. Everything. So I'm actually done. Let me show you the after look of this room right now. So the thing is that my sister have actually cleaned the parlor and all of that. So why is it turning? So that's why I have to only clean the room. Yeah. So I'll be back. Let me tidy up that particular place. I did not tidy up that place. Yeah, let's go and tidy up that place. Let's go and tidy up the place. Ja! My baby can mess. You can mess. Okay, so this is the after results. Clear all of this place, reduce the rubber there, clean this place up, and you're shouting. Empty this, and this is it. Oh my, my baby. What? My look at that. Okay, so what is it? Okay, and for this place removed, tidy up, and this place is tidied up. Okay, my sweetie pie, you are just shouting. Okay, so we're done, and now I just need to apply a little stuff on my face. Yeah, this is actually where I keep my makeup. Here, hold on. Carrying baby and wanting to show you guys this thing is city pie. You're struggling to look. This is where I keep my makeup. Okay, this first drawer. All right, so I'll just, oh my god, I am so hungry and my foundation is finished. I need to go and buy. I don't know if this happens to you guys. You know, sometimes your you want to eat all of my hand. Is my hand meat or chicken or fish? Eh? If powder will get finished, then you will not have the you will not even be remembering to go get it. So I kind of only remember in the morning anytime I want to apply. That's when I remember and be like, oh, my foundation has finished. Oh, I need to go and buy. Sweetie pie, your daddy matched nail, so he needs to go and So I just need to apply something on my face and I'm so sweaty right now. Oh my goodness. So the thing is that my husband helps a lot in everything, like everything in the house, and I'm so grateful to God for giving him to me as my husband, because we literally just do things together. So I want to go and do one particular video. I want to go and unbox a particular stuff. I'm not going to be telling you guys. Yeah, we're going to be saying it. I need to go and get foundation. My powder is still very much intact, but my foundation is finished. I don't know if this, I know it happens to some of you too, that your makeup will get finished or foundation will get finished. Baby, come in. And then for you to go and change it, then you just be forgetting, just like me. Kind of forget.
Hey.
Hey.
Hello, guys.
Say hi. How far with the leg? You have to go and buy that. Show me the example.
Yes, the ampoules.
Bale, sorry.
Thank you.
You want to rub powder, Beverly? My sweetie Beverly. Do you want to apply powder on your face? You want mommy to rub your powder? I'm actually applying this powder because I need to go and do that unbox video. Otherwise, I'll just be there. Like, I love my face to be without makeup sometimes. So my pores can breathe. Especially the days that I kind of do exfoliation. Oops. So I'm going to be doing a morning routine very soon, and then I'm going to be showing you guys some of the stuff that I use on my skin every day and every other day. Okay? So I think I'm actually done. What is it? You want to rub? You want to apply? Let me apply on your lip too. Wait. Let me apply it on my baby's lip. I've applied on your lip. Look how I'm sweating. Okay guys, so that is it. The next thing I'll do now, I have to go and eat because I'm very hungry. Sweetie pie, sorry. Ouch, sorry, yeah. Let's go. You want to say hi to them? Let's go.